Nimzwile kupresident wenu. Niyamuzwa ukuthi uthini? Ngeke uRamaphosa ehle esikhundleni. Njengoba bengishilo nje ngeke aze ehle esikhundleni sokuba upresident. Isizathu esikhulu awumlalele kahle ukuthi mayekhuluma kahle kahle lo muntu uthini. Uyamuzwa ukuthi kahle kahle lo muntu lona le speech hhayi ukuthi usenzele i-nation noma izwe. Usenzele labo abamfuna ephumile esikhundleni abezophendula bona nje ukuthi akayindawo. In short, uma ungamlalela kahle manje usebonisa i-power yakhe ukuthi ingakanani nokuthi labo abamfuna ephumile uzodila nabo. Mina iyona ndlela engimuzwe ngayo kule speech njengoba ekhuluma nje, uyayibona. So bafowethu njengoba ngihlezi ngisho la kumavidiyo wami ukuthi empeleni mina ngokwami hhayi ukuthi inkinga enkulu esinayo la uRamaphosa. Inkinga enkulu esinayo la i-ANC. It is the ANC. That's the big problem that we have. Ngiphinde ngalalela la after i-speech sakhe uRamaphosa. Ngalalela u-chairperson we-ANC uMantashe. Uyezwa uMantashe indlela abhodla ngayo umlilo. Ucasuke ufile ukuthi kunama-political parties afuna upresident aphume esikhundleni and all that. Uthi-ke hhayi beyi-ANC bamtshelile straight forward ukuthi thina siyi-ANC sime nawe sizokwakha i-circle around you sikuvikele. uMantashe loyo. Le interview engikhuluma ngayo ukhulume just before empeleni, just before ngilalele le nkulumo kapresident. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi upresident Ramaphosa kahle wenza le speech nje vele usehlangene nabo Mantashe nabo Sinuka izikalala nabanye bamtshela bathi wendoda ungaze nje wehla, ungaze ukucabanga nje ukwehla ngoba ukwehla kwakho uzobe ulimaza nathi sonke esihamba nawe. Asilwe la. Bamtshele nje straight bathi akuliwe la, kuyiwe phambili. In short bamtshela nje ukuthi indaba ye-country ukuthi i-country ithini njengamanje about you ayime kancane. Yilwa ndoda uhlale la ulwe ungaphakathi kulesikhundla. Utshelwa yi-ANC uRamaphosa. Simple and straightforward. And ngizwile ngandlebeni ukuthi bekufanele kuhlangane i-NEC ye-ANC khona namhlanje before upresident ethula le nkulumo. Kodwa ngizwe ngathi ayenzakalanga le-NEC meeting. Angazi noma izoba kusasa yini. In short kunama-member e-ANC la okungafunakalanga nokuthi anikwe ithuba lokuthi abe ne-engagement nopresident Ramaphosa nge-decision azoyithatha. Nabo nje abanye mangilalela la engazuthi bazobe befana nathi nje. Yabona nje abantu abafana nomama uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma this time around. Angicabanga ukuthi azange banikwe nothuba again lokuba ne-say njengoba nakuqala ePhalamende njengoba sekuchazile uMaMnusi Vuyo Mapisa-Nqakula wafika uMbalula laphana wabatshela ukuthi kuzokwenzeka ukuthi babathe nangempela i-ANC yadicide ukuvota ngaleya ndlela. Yingakho bacasuka nje bayombona ecasuke njani umama uNkosazana Dlamini ngesikhathi kuvotwa ngo-2022. Wayedinwa izinto ey'ningi nokuthi abanikwanga nethuba lokuthi baphefumule ngale panel report. Namanje ngathi kwenzeke same thing. uRamaphosa engathi uzowenza le speech nje lana vele uhlangene nje naba-few abahambisana naye boMantashe nabo Sinuka izikalala nabanye kuphela, and then made the decision. And uyayizwa athi i-decision ayithathile ukuzoresponda kumakuphathi afana no-MK no-EFF no-ATM abathi abasamfuni kulesikhundla bayamkhipha. So this is not about interest ye-South Africa. Uthi uPresident Ramaphosa uzohlala la aseve i-South Africa. Uthi I'll continue being your president and serve you. Eqinisweni thina siyazi ukuthi serving his own interest nama-interest ama-friends wakhe oMantashe nabanye. This is not for South Africa, it's for himself and his friends. Injalo nje bafethu. So sisenkingeni-ke, sizobuka-ke ukuthi kusasa kuhamba kanjani, i-process ihamba kanjani, amanye ama-political party azothatha ziphi iy'tebhu kuya phambili. Kodwa nje uRamaphosa, i-decision yokuthi athi akafuni ukuresigna, yi-decision ye-ANC again, yi-decision yaboMantashe, yi-decision yaboSinukhizikalala abangani bakhe. Mina ngendlela engiyibuka ngayo. Angazi wena uyibuka kanjani le ndaba i-resignation. Soqhubeka senza namanye amavidiyo kusasa. Siqhubeke silixoxa lolu daba. Mfoka Mkhonza lo, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Cela niqhubeke nisubscribe, nishare, nikhomenta, sikhulise le channel iye phambili. Sohlangana kuvidiyo elandelayo bafethu. Good night.
It's an assumption.
What is the real story?
The real story is that when I talk to the president, I don't tell him what to do. I say to him, weigh the options and take a decision.
Was one of the options is a resignation?
Yes.
He wanted to resign.
He wanted to resign. That was one of the options. I look at all the options and take a decision.
What prevented him from resigning?
It's because when he looked into various options, resignation was the most devastating decision for the African National Congress. And we said to him, you're not an individual, you are the president of an organization, and there's an organization to run. And that remains a fact.
To get some reaction now, we are joined by ANC Veterans League President Sinukhizikalala, and he joins us now via our video link. Mr. Zikalala, thank you so much for your time this evening here on SABC News. And let's start off here. As the ANC Veterans League, what is your reaction to the Constitutional Court judgment today?
Yeah, good evening, Mbali, and good evening to your viewers. As veterans were saying that those who are celebrating and hysterical about the constitutional judgment must give Parliament a chance to process the outcome. The judgment is about Parliament constitutional failure and not the President's conduct. No impeachment committee has set and no decision has been made. The court did not say Ramaphosa committed a crime. The court did not say Ramaphosa violated the Constitution conclusively. The judgment did not say Ramaphosa must be impeached. Neither did the judgment say Ramaphosa must resign. At the most, the court found that Parliament may have failed to properly exercise constitutional oversight. It is also not a legal finding of presidential wrongdoing. Did not say that the president has done anything wrong. This matter because the independent Section 89 panel only made prima facie finding. That simply means, I quote, there may be enough evidence to investigate further, close quote. It does not mean guilty was proven. Lastly, what is important for us as South Africans